Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6. Then, click on view all lessons. And we are working on chapter 5, that is one variable equations. And the topic we're going to start with is write an equation from words. So before starting the next topic, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points on your notebook. Got it? So let's start with the topic, that is write an equation from words. Let's start with the lesson, that is write an equation from words. Okay, the first one is write the sentence as an equation. You are given an sentence, you have to write the equation. So it is 279 is same as 33 divided by u. So 279 is same as, that means 279 is equal to 33 divided by u, that means it is 33 divided by u. Got it? That would be the equation you have to write. Okay, the next one is the quotient of 396 and y is same as 51. Got it? So you have to write the equation, and the sentence is the quotient of 396 and y is same as 51. So it would be quotient means you have to divide them, 396 over y, and they are exactly equal to 51. Got it? Okay, the next one is 31 is f more than 31 is f more 31 and f more. 31 and f more is same as 334. So 31 and f, that means you have to add them, is same as 334. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Just scroll down to grade 6. The topic is one variable equations. One variable equations, and the topic is write an equation from words. Let's start with the test questions. Okay, write the sentence as an equation. The quotient of r and 101 is 368. Got it? So you are given with a sentence. You just need to read the sentence and write the answer in the on your notebook. Got it? So it would be 8,407. It would be the quotient of r and 101 is 368. So you have to write the equation. The quotient of r and 101, it would be r over 101 equals, it would be r over 101 equals 68. Got it? That is the equation right for the sentence. Got it? That would be the first one. R divided by 101 equals 368. Got it? Okay, the next one is 31 and f more as same as 334. If you know the answers, you can use the live chat button. Please write the answers. Your communication is highly appreciated. You can communicate with me using live chat but options. So if you know the answers, just write the answers in a live chat box. Got it? So write the sentence as an equation. 31 and f more, that means 31 plus f is adding, is same as 334. Got it? And they are equal to 334. So first option is the correct one. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 279 is same as 33 divided by u. So it would be 39 over u and they are equal to 279. So 279 equals 33 divided by u. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write the sentence as an equation. 165 is m divided by 5. That means 165 equals m divided by 5. Got it? Hi Nancy. Yes, it is 165 equals m over 5. That is the first option. Very good, Nancy. Okay, the next one is write the sentence in the as an equation. So the sentence is 175 is same as n minus 206. So it would be 175 equals, so the correct option is 100. The first one, 175 equals n minus 206. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write the sentence as an equation. So it would be 254 is same as 85 less than z. So that means 254 equals 85 less than z is, that means z is subtracting from 85. So it would be 254 equals z minus 665, z minus 85. Got it? So the correct option is the second one. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write the sentence as an equation. Y multiplied by 270 is 217 is 90. That means you need to do 217 times y equals 90. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write the sentence as an equation. The quotient of 396 and y is same as 151. So it would be 396 divided by y, and that equals 151. Got it? So first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 109 is the same as k increased by 186. That means 396 equals k increased by 186. So increases are always positive. So it would be k plus 186. Got it? That is the second option. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Write the sentence as an equation. Y added to 144 is 86. That means y added, you have to add y to 141. So 141 plus y equals 86. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is write the sentence as an equation. 202 equals to the product of 24 and m. 202 equals product of 24 times m. Got it? Product means you have to multiply them. So it would be 202 equals 24m. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic, and the next topic is solve one step equations with whole numbers. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. Okay, the lesson name is solve one step equations with whole numbers. With whole numbers. Okay, let's start with the lesson. So the lesson is solve one step equations with whole numbers. So let's start with the lesson. So it is okay, it is solve one step equations with whole numbers. So the first one is solve for r, and r equals 33 minus 9. So you have a variable at just at the other side, and on the other side you have the numbers. So just solve the numbers. So 33 minus 9 is, you cannot subtract a smaller number out of the greater one, so you need to borrow one. You have 2 here and 13 here. 13 minus 9 is 4, and you have to bring the 2 down, so it would be 24. Got it? Okay, the next one is q equals 72 plus 20. So you have already used isolated, just add them 72 and plus 20, 20. So 2 subtract 0 is 2, and 7 subtract 2 is 9. So it would be q equals 92. Got it? Okay. On the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, let's start with the test. The first one is j plus 32. J plus 32 equals 58. So j plus 32 equals 58. So first of all, you have to isolate the variable j. Got it? Because you just need to find the value of variable and j. So shift that 32 to the other side. So when 32 is adding at right hand side, when you shift to the other side, it would be then subtracted. Got it? So 58 subtract 32 is, if you know the answers, you can use the live chat button. Your communication is highly appreciated. So 8 subtract 2 is 6 and 5 subtract 3 is 2. That means j, the value of j equals 26. Got it? So the correct option is 26. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, n plus 4 equals 35. N plus 4 equals 35. So you have to isolate the variable n. Got it? That means you need to shift that 4 to the other side. So it is adding to the right hand side. When you shift to the other side, it would be subtracted. Got it? So 35 subtract 34 equals 31. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. 31 is the correct option. Got it? Solve for tt equals 85 minus 53. So t is already isolated. Just subtract the numbers. 5 subtract 3 is 2 and 8 subtract 5 is 3. That means it is 32. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Please communicate with me. If you know the answers, you can write the answer in the chat box. Your communication is highly appreciated. Got it? Okay, the next one is h equals 5 times 14. So h is already isolated. Just multiply the given numbers. So it would be 14 times 5 is 70. Got it? So the correct option is 70. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, solve for dd plus 47 equals 65. You have to isolate the variable d. That means on the one side you just have a variable. Shift the number 47 to the other side. So 47 is adding to d. When you subtract it to the other side, it would be subtracted. Got it? So 65 minus 47 is 12. 15 plus 7 is 8, and 5 plus 4 is 5 subtract 4 is 1. Yes, it is 18. Staff, very good. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Solve for tt equals 9 times 6. So 9 times 6 is, so 9 times 6 is, yes, it is 54. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2r equals 20. You need to isolate the variable. Isolate the variable means on the one side equal, you just have variable, and on the other side you have the numbers. So 2r equals 20. So 2 is multiplying 2 r, so opposite to multiplication is division. That means when you shift it to the other side, you have to divide 2 to the other side. So 20 divided by 2 is, it would be 10. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So the correct option is 10 and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is S equals 52 minus 40. So just subtract the numbers because the variable is already isolated. You just have to subtract the numbers. 52 minus 40 is, just subtract the numbers. 2 subtract 0 is 2 and 5 subtract 0. 5 subtract 4 is 1. That means the correct option is 12. Got it? So you can complete the rest by yourself later today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, then next one is solve one step equation. Let me write down the lesson name. We'll start then. So the lesson name is solve one step equations with decimal fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, let's start with examples. Solve one step equations with decimals, fractions, and mixed numbers. So let's start with the definition, with the examples. So the first example is solve for b, and it is b plus 1 by 4 equals 6. Got it? So you have to find the value of b only. So just subtract this 1 by 4 to the other side because opposite to addition is subtraction. Got it? So you have to find the value of 6 minus 1 by 4. So the variable, so 6 has the decimal 1 and the fraction has the decimal 4. So before you have to subtract them, you need to make their denominator same. So 1 times 4 is 4. So multiply this fraction by 4. It would be 6 times 4 divided by 1 times 4 minus 1 over 4. Got it? So 6 times 4 is 24 over 5 and minus 1 over 5. So just subtract their numerators because they have now same denominator. So it would be 23 over 5. Got it? So when you solve, it would be, just divide them, 23 over 5. It would be 4.6. Got it? 4.6. So let's just move on to next one. The next question is h minus 4 equals half. So you just have to find the value of h only. So you have to subtract that, shift that negative 4 to the other side. So it would be subtracting here. When you shift to the other side, it would be adding. Got it? So before adding, you need to make their denominator same. So just multiply this fraction by 4 to make its denominator also 4. So it would be 2 times 4 and divided by 1 times 4. So it would be 1 by 4 and plus 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 4. They have like denominators, just add their numerators. Got it? So 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. So you can write the answer in mixed. 8 plus 1. So it would be 9 over 4. So you can write the answer in mixed fraction form. So just divide 9 by 4. It would be 4 times 2 is 8 and 9 subtract 8 is 1. This is the whole number 2 whole 1 divided by 4. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Let's just start with the test. Okay, the first one is 1 dot 1.3 equals b. One of them is a dot and one of them is a decimal point. Got it? That dot means they are multiplying. They are actually 1 times 1.3. Got it? So 1 times 1.3 is 1.3. That means b has the value 1.3. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, u times 1 by 4 equals half. U times 1 by 4 equals half. So you need to shift that 1 by 4 to the other side. So they are multiplying. When you shift to the other side, it would be then divided. So u equals 1 by 2 divided by 1 over 4. Got it? Convert that division sign to the multiplication and reciprocal the term. Got it? Reciprocal means you need to shift that numerator and denominator. Got it? It would be 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. The value of 2 is u is 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5 minus 0.4 equals z. So just subtract them. 5 minus 0.4 equals b. So just subtract 0.4 out of 5. So it would be 4.6. So value of b equals 4.6. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 8.3 divided by 1 equals q. So any number divided by 1 equals the same number. So 8.3 divided by 1 is 8.3. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So g plus 1 by 7 equals 6 by 7. So g plus 1 by 7 equals 6 by 7. It would be g plus 1 by 7 equals 6 over 7. So 1 by 6 is adding, 1 by 7 is adding to g. That means you have to shift to the other side because you need to find the value of g only. It would be 6 over 7 subtract 1 over 7. Got it? So they have like denominators, just subtract their numerators. So 6 subtract 1 is 6 subtract 1 is 5 over 7. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 1 by 2 plus p equals 1 over 2. Half plus p equals half. So this 1 by 2 is adding to p. You have to shift that 1 by 2 to the other side. So it would be then p equals half minus half, and half minus half is 0. That means the value of p equals 0. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So x minus 2 by 3 equals 1 over 3. X minus 2 over 3 equals 1 over 3. So that 2 over 2 by 3 is subtracting from right hand side. When you shift to the other side, it would be adding. Got it? So they have like denominators, simply add their numerators. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3, and 3 over 3 means they are 1. Got it? So the answer is 1. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. So the next topic is solve one-step equations word problems. Let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is solve one-step equations for word problems. So let's start with the topic. Solve one-step equations word problems. Okay, let's start with the test. Okay, a person can pay $9 for a membership of the History Museum and then go to the museum for just $1 per visit. Got it? What is the minimum number of visits? What is the minimum number of visits a member of a history museum can make for a total cost of $45? Got it? So you can find the minimum amount of visits a member of the history museum can make for a total cost of $45. So let's start with the okay. You need to use a variable here, that is $9 plus 1 times y, and they are equal to 45. Got it? So you have to find the value of y. So just y times 1 is y, and shift that 9 to the other side. So it would be then y equals 45 minus 9. So 45 minus 9 is 15, subtract 9 is 6, and it is 36. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the okay. So basically you have to understand the word problems. You have to write the equation and then you have to solve the equation. Got it? Okay, Zoe already owns 12 necklaces and additional necklaces are priced by one for $1. How much money Zoe can need to spend on new necklace in order to own a total of 45 necklaces? Got it? It would be 12 plus 1 times y equals 45. 12 plus 1 dot y equals 45, I think. Let me just confirm. Yes, just it would be, subtract the 12 to the other side, so it would be 5 subtract 2 is 3 and 4 subtract 1 is 3. Yes, very good, Ula. It is 33. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Sean has already baked 16 cakes. He can bake one with each additional stick of butter he buys. How many additional sticks of butter does Sean need in order to bake a total of 24 cakes? So you need to do 16 plus 1 dot y, 16 plus 1 dot y, and they are equal to 24. So 1 times y is y. So it would be 16 plus y equals 24. Now you have to shift that 16 to the other side. So it would be y equals 24 minus 16. Got it? So 24 minus 16 is 8. So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, Dakota's office had already recycled 22 kilograms this year before starting the new recycling plan, and the new plan will have the office recycling 1 kilograms of paper of each week. How many weeks will it take Dakota's office to recycle a total of 447 kilograms of paper? So the equation is 22 times 22 plus 1 dot y equals 22 plus 1 dot y equals 47. So you have to find the value of y. Only 1 times y is y. So you have to subtract that 22 to the other side. Got it? It would be then y equals 47 minus 22. So 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So it would be 25. Got it? So select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, a puppy named Lucky started out at 3 pounds and gained 1 pound every month. At how many months did Lucky weigh 9 pounds? So it would be 3 plus 1 dot y equals 9. 3 plus 1 dot y equals 9. Got it? So 1 times y is y, and that equals 9. So you need to shift that 3 to the other side. It would be y equals 9 minus 3, and it is 6. Got it? That means to reach 9 kilogram, he have to wait 6 months. Got it? Okay, Lindsay has already run 12 miles on her own, and she expects to run 1 mile during each track practice. How many track practices would it take to Lindsay to run 30 miles? So the equation is 12 plus 1 dot y, 12 plus 1 dot y, and that equals how many miles? 30 miles. So 12 plus 1 times y is y equals 30. So you need to shift that 12 to the other side. It would be 30 minus 12, and 30 minus 12 is Yes, 30 minus 12 is 18. So the correct option is 18. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Jennifer had already 8 books this year. Before joining a book club, he plans to read one book every month now that he has joined. The Jennifer has read 29 books so far. How many months has she been with her book club? So you need to do 8 plus 8 plus 1 times y equals 29. So 1 times y is y. You need to shift that 8 to the other side. So 29 minus 8 is 21. Got it? So the value of y is 21. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have done 4 of the topics today from the chapter 1 variable equations, and the topics are write an equation from word, solve one step equation with whole numbers, solve one step equation with decimal fractions and mixed numbers, and solve one step equation word problems. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the tests for the topics we did today. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So if you find the video helpful for you, just click on the like button that is right below the video. Got it? That's all for today. If you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.